do your homework, do your due diligence, keep an open mind, you're going to choose Aspen.
Our supplier is really important to us for one reason. We've got all these high-value specialty crops that require special equipment. So I work with 10 or 11 vendors with Deere in developing product, in bringing product to meet the needs of the customers. And in many cases with these vendors, we have exclusive territorial agreements with them. And so they look to us to provide, volume and customer satisfaction, just like a major manufacturer would. And so when you got 10 or 11 of those, it becomes, and there's a lot of volume involved, it becomes really important to us that not only that the product is accepted well by the customer, but also that I'm meeting their metrics and their objectives. So it's a pretty big burden when we sit down with that many manufacturers, that many vendors, and have to do the forecasting, have to discuss their expectations, whether they're realistic or not. Sometimes they're not. So we have to throttle them down. Other times, we're saying, hey, we're in a good growth mode, we want to order this many. Coming up with programs that match farmers' needs, because at the end of the day, they account for nearly half of our sales. So it's not a sideline, they're major businesses, and we value them, and we practice good relationships with these vendors. Very important.